Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for Newton-Raphson method. So kindly refers to the question, approximate cert 7 by using the Newton-Raphson method and the initial value 2 up to second iteration. So in here, what we have to do is to write down the situation, approximate cert 7. So the meaning will be x is equals to cert 7. So remember step number 1, express the situation in fx equals to 0. So in here we have x cubed equals to 7. Rewrite the situation. X to the power of 3 minus 7 equals to 0. So in here, the function of fx will be x to the power of 3 minus 7. Second step is to find the first derivative. And we will have f prime x is equals to 3x squared. Next is to imagine the situation. Where is the location of cert 7? So here I'm going to illustrate the situation in a number line. So given a number line, so try to imagine the cert 7 will be on the right hand side. So meaning that the starting point will be 0, followed by cert 1. Then we have cert 2, and so on until we have the final part will be cert 8, which is equals to 2. So the question is, where is the location for cert 7? It must be before the cert 8. So meaning that in here we have cert 7. So as we can see, where is the location of cert 7? Actually, it's in between 1 and 2. Okay, so the midpoint for this situation will be 1.5. So in this situation, the value of x0 is no need to be determined by ourselves because the initial value 2 is given. The x0 is equals to 2. So what we have to do is to substitute the situation into the formula, and the formula will be xn plus 1 equals to xn minus the function f bracket xn over f prime, the value xn. So kindly substitute the situation into the formula. So x1 will be equals to 2 minus f function. So here we will have 2 to the power of 3 minus 7. So do remember to have the bracket over. We have f prime x, which is 3x squared. So in here, 3 multiplied with 2 squared. So kindly refers to the calculator. So key in the formula. So alpha x minus the ratio, where we have the function alpha x to the power of 3 minus 7 over 3 alpha x squared. Press the button calculate and then substitute the value 2. And we will have x1 is equals to 1.9167. Okay, so repeat the situation. So x2 will be equals to 1.91 minus the situation 1.91 squared minus 7 over 3 multiplied with 1.91 7 to the power of 2. So in here we have power 3. So refers to the calculator. Calculate answer equals. So the x sub 2 will be equals to 1.912938,458. So for this question, so now we have the x sub 2. So kindly refers to the question. Here they mention that up to second iteration. So what does it mean by second iteration? So refers to this part. This is what we call the first iteration. And then this one is called the second iteration. So question mentioned that up to second iteration, meaning that we have to stop at this part. So for these cases, repeated situation is not needed. So the value of x is equals to, so do remember, express the situation in 3 significant figures. So for the final answer would be x equals to 1.91. So here we have the roots. So here we are, and thanks for watching.